So do you want to build strength and speed up your metabolism? Well, this is a key requirement when we're training for fat loss. So in order to do this, we need to train the biggest muscles in the body with compound movements. Now, before we begin, hit like, and if you're new here, please do hit subscribe and the bell to stay up to date with all things fat loss. Today we're looking at the pull-up. This will stimulate the lats, the traps and the rhomboids. Now make sure you've reviewed pulling mechanics and rowing before you start this one. Now this is one of my favorite moves, as you can really add load to the movement using a dip belt, which is perfect for continually progressing your strength and muscle building potential. Here's a quick demo of the pull-up. We'll be starting in a dead hang and moving into a position where at least the chin moves over the bar, and if you're able to, get the chest to the bar. Let me show you the first regression, the supported pull-up. Start with a bar at collarbone while standing. Hold bar tightly and descend into a squat. Lock out arms fully at the bottom. Focus on keeping back straight. Pull chest tightly to the bar, descend back to the bottom and repeat. Now all these cues apply to the next progression, which is the single leg pull-up. The only difference is you have one leg out in front to place more demands on pulling. Now let's look more closely at getting your first pull-up. The negative is a great way for you to get your first pull-up, but the first thing you need to be able to do is hold yourself at the top of the bar. This is called a top hold, and here's how to perform it. Stand on a few plates so the collarbone is level with the bar. Grab bar tightly. Kick one leg off and lock out. Once stable, kick the other leg off and lock that one out. Try and increase the time that you can hold both legs out from 1 second to around about 5 seconds. Now once you can do a top hold to around about 5 seconds, you're strong enough to do a negative. So get into a top hold. Slowly lengthen your arms whilst keeping tension through the arms and body. Now to begin with, you can do a 3-second negative, but I want you to build up to 7 seconds. Once you can do around 3 7-second negatives, you are ready to do a pull-up. So here's how it goes. Grab the bar tightly. Hold the dead hang position. Keep body hollow and quads locked. Perform an active hang. Pull chest to the bar and descend. If you can do 5 to 10 of these with great form, I'd start to incorporate a dip belt to build strength. The same cues apply, just be safe when you dismount. Thanks for watching, drop a comment, ask a question, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.